Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy LB. So now today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the preset into LUT and then import into Adobe Premiere Pro. So now in this video we are going to use two softwares, Photoshop and Premiere Pro. So guys, this is the music clip I'm going to use. This is a music video I made. So now we're gonna use this clip. So right here I'm in editing workspace. So now click here on export frame, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E. Then now click on it. Then here you're gonna give the name of your image. So let me type an image. So now you have to make sure the format is JPG. So now browser here where you're gonna to save your image, then you select the folder, then click OK. So now after, let me jump on Adobe Photoshop because I'm going to import my image. So now let me open it. Have been saved on desktop. So this is my image, okay? So now open it. So now already it's opened in camera raw settings. So now I'm going to find where my preset I have been saved. So this is my preset I'm going to use. I'm going to import into an image layer in camera raw. So now click here and then click here on load settings. So now I'm going to import my preset. Just if you want to save the settings, you click here to save, but I'm going to import the preset. So now you have to click here on load settings. Then I'm choosing this preset. Then you click OK, done. It's already in. So now you see my image. There is some change settings. So now if you want, you can add some another highlights, shadows, contrast, highlight, black. Just you can add other things on your preset. Okay, so let me just add some few colors. Guys, if you want, you can change your preset, or you can use just how is it. So now after just click here on save. Now I'm going to save this preset again. Okay. Then just this is where you can put your name. So let me add just preset into LUT. Then click save. So now click done. So now there is the software which you have to need. The software, it is called LUT generator. This software, it is gonna help me to change from preset into LUT. So if you are using MacBook, just you can click here, but me, I'm using Windows. So now let me open here. Is this one called LUT generator? Then you open it, and then first you click here on generate HUD. So now I'm going to export an image that it will help me to change these settings. So now let me browse it here on desktop. Okay, the image is already exported. So it's this one. So guys, this is the image that software gives me. So now let me import in Adobe Photoshop. So now click on it, then click here on filter, then just go in the camera raw. So now click here and then load settings. I'm going to import this preset I made, then click open. So now you see my image is changing. Then now click OK. Then after, I'm going to save it in PNG format. Guys, you have to make sure to save this image in PNG format. So then, and after this, you're gonna rename this LUT. Then click save. Then click OK. Now back on your software. So now the second method, you're gonna convert this image I have been exported on this software into and finally LUT. So now click here on convert cube and then click here on final LUT. So now you have to wait. Wow, the conversion is done. So now my write is already done. So now back on Adobe Premiere Pro. So now click here on color workspace. Now I'm going to import my LUT. Click here on basic correction, then click input none, then browser your LUT where you have been saved, then have been saved on desktop. Then click on it, then open it. Just done, guys. Now you see my video is looking so perfect. Wow, this is perfect, bro. This is perfect. This is before and this is after. Before, after. I'm done. Guys, this is very simple. Just take your time to do it. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment down below. Yes, see you in next video.